Welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the main theme, which repeats quite a lot in Merry Christmas Mr. Lawrence by Ryuichi Sakamoto. It's a very beautiful piece for this film. David Bowie was in it. Christmas is in the title. I guess this is sort of my first Christmas tutorial of the year, but sort of not really. Anyway, so we're going to use sheet music. It's going to be quite short, just what you heard in the preview. The theme is really repetitive. I've left where you can access the sheet music down below, but I am going to pull up each line of the sheet music on the top screen today. So this one is in the key of B flat minor. So there's 5 flats in the key signature. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of B flat minor. Here is middle C as a reference. So if you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano, the lowest note I'll be using is a G flat and the highest note is this D flat here. So this should be suitable if you have a slightly smaller keyboard. So here is the first line. So we'll do the right hand first. So I'm just going to go straight in with the theme. B flat and E flat. And then F, E flat, B flat, E flat, and that's tied into the next bar. I'm going to swap to my 2, E flat, F, E flat, F, A flat, F, and then E flat, F, E flat, B flat, D flat. I'll just do that first, those first 3 bars again. And then it comes up to the last bar, so that D flat is tied into the next bar. And then we have an octave stretch. If you can't stretch an octave, just miss out the lower ones, play F and D flat. And then that moves down to C, F, C. If you can't stretch an octave, just play F and C. So if we look at the left hand then of this line, so we have G flat, D flat, G flat. Again, just miss out your thumb if you can't stretch an octave. Then we have like an A flat 7 chord, so it's A flat, E flat and G flat. And then we have it's like a B minor 7 chord, so it's B flat, F and A flat, and that's tied for 1 extra beat into the next bar. Then we play a single B flat, and then it's like an inversion of a D flat major chord, so it's A flat, D flat and F. I'll just do that left hand again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I put this first line together now, some really nice harmony there. And then the second line is very, very similar. Second line is up now. First 2 bars are the same. And then here, with the B flat minor 7 chords, the right hand's going to play E flat, F, E flat, D flat, B flat. And then that's tied for another 2 beats into the next bar. And then we have this sort of like a transition chord. So it's based around a D flat major 7, but with the A flat is in the bass. So it's A flat, C, D flat, F, and then a C. You could play it like that and divide the notes differently between the hands if you wanted to. So if I play this whole first section then from the beginning, so the first 2 lines. third line, we are going to pad out basically the right hand. This is what will make it sound more like oriental sounding, because we're going to be playing in what you call consecutive fourths. So do the right hand first, so B flat and E flat. It's the same as the previous bit, but we're just moving it up an octave. F, E flat, B flat, E flat. And then we're going to play B flat and E flat with your 1 and 3, and then C and F with your 2 and 4, back to B flat and E flat, back to C and F, and then with your 3 and 5 we're going to play E flat and A flat, and then back to C and F. So you need to have your hands, it's like mine are, like higher up the keys. It's not the easiest thing to do in terms of coordination and finger strength. If you can't do that, just stick with how we play it in the previous section. And then the next bar we have B flat and E flat, C and F, B flat and E flat, F and B flat, and then A flat and D flat. And the right hand comes up and plays this bit again. The only difference from playing it when we played it here, we're going to just add the C when we play the F. Again, just beefing out, padding out the harmony a bit to help it sound developed as a repetition of a melody. So if I do that third line again. So the left hand, we're going to play the chords on the beat this time. It's obviously 4 beats in a bar. So this is based around a G flat major 7, but we're just going to play G flat, D flat and F 4 times, and then we have A flat, C and F, so this makes like an F minor inversion chord 4 times, and then we have a B flat minor triad in root position, so B flat, D flat, F 4 times, and then another 2 times into the last bar there. Then we're going to turn the B flat into an A flat, and this gives us an inversion of D flat major. So if I do that line again, so from the G flat, D flat, F. So I'm going to put this third line together now slowly. So together, right, together, right, together. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. So you would have to swap, move your thumb there for the F, and you can put it back there. That again. Swap. Now for the very last line, so we have this bit again. This next bit's the same. And then we have B flat, E flat, C and F, B flat and E flat, A flat and D flat, and then F and B flat. And then we have B flat, C and F. You can play it higher if you have some higher notes. And then the left hand, we've got different chords. This is where we have the only note that doesn't belong to the key signature. So it's G, D flat and F. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have G flat, A flat, C and F twice. Change the F to an E flat twice. F minor chord, which is F, A flat and C twice. And then down to B flat and F. And then you come up to D flat and A flat. The clef changes at the end there. So let's do all that line again. So if I put this last line together now. So if I play this third and the fourth line now, so the last half of this arrangement. Because the theme is so repetitive, you could mix and match sections if you wanted to play the chords of the first two lines with the right hand part of the last two lines. You could experiment mixing and matching to make a longer arrangement if you want. So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit bitesizepianocourse.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.